Today you will see how we got to Pripyat and what is happening in Chernobyl exclusion zone. There's much radiation on this roof. That day I was browsing the messages and it came out of nowhere. My friend wrote about Pripyat Ferris wheel, they wanted to make it working. Do you know how to do this, he asked. I said, no problem. Just take a chainsaw, connect it to the reducer, get a silencer for this and it's done. And the next he asked me if I know how to get electricity to Chernobyl. Then he asked me to come with him to follow the path of Stalker. I said it was cold, winter and so on, and he told me that he knows what to do and a short road, and it will be a short trip on bikes. And I liked the idea. There was a little drawback of the short path. We had to go through the red forest and it's very radioactive. But I was told that we will pass it fast on bikes and will not be irradiated. I didn't know Vadim that time, but he told me that it will be alright. And he said not to worry. He promised me we will get there fast and see the ghost town. And there is a secret lab under the military factory, and we could learn some chemistry there. I gave him a photo of my things I was going to take with me, and we made a deal. I went there by train, sent him a photo that I'm coming, and I wasn't joking, and we went to buy some one-way bikes, cause we will use them one time only. The duration rate is high, and we don't want to take it with us, or our bikes become radioactive. Can you tell me please, what bikes are the most cheap there? Oh, they are outside. We need a bike for one trip, we don't want to spend much. Actually, we can get them back if you want. This one is the cheapest. Will it fall apart? I guess not. Choose any, they will stay there till they get rust. Will give them for 2? Sure, take it.
Режим секретности называется. Снег нам не помеха, таким мы прямо круто.
We've chosen our horses. Show me the steering.
Да нормально. Настроят.
Yeah, they were born to do this. One bike was 2000 Ukrainian hryvnia. And that's about $81. I think these bikes suit 100% for the Chernobyl trip. We will leave these bikes near the Chernobyl zone border. And somebody will get their hands on them. You will be able to find our bikes and we will also leave you a gift there. And you will find out what it is just when you find the bikes. We aren't going to tell you what is that. The shoes will be one trip only as well. We won't get radiation to our houses. 250, right? Here you are. Thank you. Will these boots give us radiation resist? I don't have a notion. You know, we came from far away to buy these shoes here. I'm from Lugansk, Orenburg. Saratov, isn't it? Vadim isn't the only to guide us. There is also a crazy head stalker called Vlad. He's told to be an experienced guide. Vlad is making illegal business. If you want to see Pripyat... How much, Vlad? $250, you can see the Pripyat yourself. That's cool, amazing experience. He can guide you throughout the zone. And if you want me, I can be a guide also. Why you guys are so cheered up? We've done some shopping, I guess. Imagine that $2 boots can make people happy. We've bought lots of LED street light and wires. So what are we going to do with it? We're going to decorate the Pripyat Ferris wheel with it. Maybe making some letters. We'll take the street light and spin it all around it. Though we will be very tired, but I think it will be worth it. It will be just awesome, yeah. This is it. We are close to start our bike stalker adventure and close to the restricted zone. How are you doing, dudes? I'm so high from radiation! Well, friends, we are ready to break through the exclusion zone. 4 bikes. And we have to assemble them now. The taxi driver has thrown us near the village in the wilds. We are assembling and we have to attach these bags. Just look how many loot we've got there, and it isn't all. These aren't all bags. Look at the food bags, plenty of them. We have to take all with us. Now it's about 9 PM. This night will be like a pursuit for us. We will be going and going till we reach our goal. We've got trouble here. This tire doesn't suit the wheel. Don't tear it apart, please. I got it, it's okay. Hey Alex, go help him. Oh, that's a trifle. Don't worry. Get the chamber inside firstly. Be careful with that. That is my bike, by the way. It is very easy to spoil. How did I deserve that? That's all for your scenes. What did I do wrong, really? Once I sent some wrong image, so what? Black Stalker, help us! Alex, say that we can do it, please. Hooray! We made it! We have plugged the unpluggable. We are in the wilds and the dudes failed with a tire. They bought the wrong wheel chamber. Can you imagine that? Hey, the comment on the left. Why are you talking to a flashlight? I just... Why? I just thought... Actually, the wheel trick didn't work out, and we couldn't fix that with no tools. That's why the guys went without one wheel. So are you going? Let him try this. See, come on. Inconvenient. It will be okay, let's go. That's iced? That is iced! Oh my gosh! They've attached some new to the iced. Use some scotch tape to make them tighter. You know, it is harder to go now. That's a bomb, it's working! Oh my gosh. Do you see this? What the hell? A new type of a bike. So will it be working? That's BS. We can go like this, but... Well, it's 11 PM. We have assembled the bikes and ready to go. And we are starting. Such hell has never happened to me yet. We have got a new bike now. My old one has gone somewhere, and I'm happy and sad. This bike has already been to Chernobyl. Several times some Belarusians have used it, so it's a vet, and it is very radioactive already, but we don't care at all. We're going to go a terrible road now. Look at our bags, these are our bikes. Hey, now look at my bike over there. Look at this invention. I'm not sure if it works. That's a Spider-Man's bike, right? All covered in scotch tape. Why using bags? Use tape. All is attached with it. Oh my. And we are going high. Here we go. That's a hell of trouble. We haven't reached the zone yet, and something clapped loudly. I thought someone was shooting at us. Nope, that was Vlad's wheel chamber. That's how the Pripyat trip started. We keep fixing the bikes, though we didn't see the zone yet. Literally every 100 meters something blows up somewhere, or else. Or breaks. And the most supernatural thing here is our good mood. Vlad thinks the video will not be popular from these breakages. Is that something you have experienced, Vlad? Was it? Did you? I guess he did. I really think so. And we will be attacked by some mutants there, don't worry. Me and Anthony have bought these cheapest bikes, and they don't break that often. We've been fixing these bikes until morning. And there's an official checkpoint to the zone, for official excursions. We will not go there, we are stalkers, and they don't like this kind. That's why we'll go our own stalker route. We are near the border, I feel weird.
Короче, пацаны, как я понял, мы подошли, мы на шуме. Был бы кто-то, нас уже выскочил.
No steps over there. Okay, we're going. So Alex, we have to climb over the fence, right? Yeah. This road is supposed to be patrolled, but there are no traces. That is clear that there are no tracks of patrol. They might be rare. That is the fence. Someone had cut it before. Careful. Finally, we are inside the Chernobyl zone. I'm so excited right now. I take part in this for the first time and my heart is jumping out. We are becoming the real stalkers. We are in the zone. Did the radiation bite you? These are fresh. No, I just... You've scratched your hands, right? But I was wearing gloves. That didn't help you though. It happens sometimes. I don't feel much radiation. You might sustain it. That is my scar from other fans. And that scar is... Well, friends, the zone has let us in. Now we are going to see some strange stalker rituals. Bandit here. Next time we will take some motors, I think. 1, 2...
Пацаны, короче,
Anthony's ass was beaten by radiation. And now the patrols are going after us. Let's hide, they're coming. Surely we go there out of the screams. Fancy as we go there and hear the sounds. I have come to give you that song. There's going something big. Oh my. The marauders. Crap this, the marauders go there openly. They were the black woodcutters. That's clear, let's go. Mooses, mooses. I filmed it, fancy that! And there Vadim went in to scare the wild mooses. To make the zone alive, the foresters have set here the feeders. These aren't bricks, that's sulfur mooses. They can live high. We're hiding, there's a sudden car going. Crap, he saw us. He saw us. He saw us 100%. We must leave now, he saw us. Vlad said that we should stay unseen. That's why we hide. From everyone. He saw us. The guards aren't happy we are walking there. And filming how they cut the radioactive forest. Someone saw us. A car. He has seen us there. But luckily he didn't stop. After this we have switched the road. And there we are now. And when we switched it, there came another car. We thought that car was coming back. And we hid in the bushes. And the bushes are radioactive. They gave 200 microrengen. We're going to the home, it will take us 3 hours, said Vlad. I'm very sleepy because I didn't take a nap these days. It was too cold at night, so I couldn't sleep. And that's why I'm barely awake now. Hey guys, what are we going to say if they catch us? Did we get the Martians here or something? We're cycle tourists and we got lost. We were going to Chernihiv, but we went to Chernobyl, mixed up the towns. Are you joking or serious? No, just tell this. We went here occasionally. Car! Oh my, they will see us! Go, go, go! What a heck! What is going on there? They can see us. No, they can't see us at all. They can see me. They can see you at least. They just don't look there. And now they really could see us. One more. What? How there can be so much traffic? We're having rest in the snow, lying low. We call these cars childos. Okay, here we go. Yeah, go. I feel okay. Nice. I wouldn't go anywhere now. Well, this trip wasn't easy. No vigor, knees hurt, bikes break. I'm not depressed, but on the edge of my nerves. I didn't film it, but Vlad had a nervous attack at night. He was screaming out loud. He threw his bike in the forest and cried that he is never back here in winter. When he did it, a stick from the bush has jumped up and hit his nose really hard. There was blood. Actually, my bike was broken several times and the chain was broken few times. And the stick was... We have lost Vadim. Where is he? Didn't he fall? Alright, Vlad will go and find him. He fell? Oh my, what happened? Alex, call the checkpointers. He seems really... Call the police. What happened there? He was lying unconscious there. Crap. I will call for an ambulance. Call faster. Alright, I think the expedition is over, right?